Hey, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome and I hope you stay. Today, I'm bringing to you my Honey Glow Summer Whip Body Cream. Without wasting time, let's just get started. I've got here about 100 grams of pure unrefined shea butter. I have another 100 grams of pure unrefined cocoa butter. I'll get a saucepan and put the two butters into it on low fire and melt it up. I'm also going to need some vitamin C capsules. I'm going to need some honey, apricot kernel oil, argan oil, licorice root extract. Finally, I'm going to need a cream base. You can use any cream of your choice. I'll get a large enough bowl and come in with my melted butters. Next, I'll come in with my apricot kernel oil. I'll be using about 4 tablespoonfuls. Next will be my argan oil. I'll be using 2 to 3 tablespoons. I'll squeeze in my vitamin C capsules, using 7 of them. I'll come in with a tablespoonful of honey. Make sure you don't use too much honey or else it's going to be sticky on your skin. Finally, I'll pump in about a tablespoonful of licorice root extracts. I will add my cream base. Here I'm using about 400 grams of body cream. With the help of my hand mixer, I'll whip everything up till it turns fluffy. Licorice root extract is great for those of you with hyperpigmentation and uneven skin tone. I must say, pure unrefined honey is very good for your skin. It gives you that natural glow. It helps remove blemishes and it evens out your skin tone in general. Argan oil helps trap in moisture into your skin. Need I say more about the apricot kernel oil and the argan oil? These oils are the master oils. They do everything for your skin. I must say, I like making my own, skincare stuff because I put in what I want and I know what I want for my skin. I know what works and what doesn't work for me. So I combine these ingredients and it really satisfies my skin. So after whipping for about 3 minutes, this is what we have here. I'll go ahead and transfer it into a big enough container. As you can see, it's so smooth and it spreads so easily. This can be used for both the face and the body. This is going to give you the natural summer glow you've been desiring. It will hydrate your skin without leaving it sticky. This is an everyday cream and you'll be amazed at the great results it will give your skin within a month. It works gently to smoothen out your skin, making it more elastic and supple. So this is it and I hope I did help you. If you give this a try, let me know how it comes out for you. If you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with family and friends and don't forget to leave me that big fat thumbs up. Until next time, I am going to see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye bye.